Let me tell you something uncomfortable. If your entire financial future depends on your salary, you don't own your life. You rent it. Meet Daniel. 35 years old. Software employee. Makes $2,000 a month, 1.65 Indian rupees lakh approximate. Good income. Stable job. EMI on his car. Credit card paid, mostly. But last year, 2 of his colleagues were replaced by AI tools. That's when it hit him. What if I'm next? That fear is why he decided to buy his first rental property. Not to get rich, but to stop being dependent on one paycheck. And today, I'll show you exactly how he did it. Step by step. Daniel wasn't broke. He had $18,000 saved, 15 Indian rupees lakh approximate. Credit score of 735. No major debt. Stable 7-year work history. But he had one invisible problem. He thought saving cash was building wealth. It wasn't. Inflation was 6 to 8% globally. His savings were losing value quietly. And rent in his city? Up 12% in 2 years. He realized something powerful. If he didn't buy assets, he would spend his life paying someone else's EMI. Daniel started browsing properties online. He saw one listed at $180,000. 1.5 Indian rupees crore approximate. He got excited. Then he spoke to a lender. Reality check. With 20% down payment. He needed $36,000. 30 Indian rupees lakh approximate. He only had half. That's when he learned the first lesson. Real estate is not about excitement. It's about preparation. And here's the concept simplified. You make money in rental property in 3 ways. Monthly cash flow. Property appreciation. Tenant paying down your loan. If the numbers don't work, emotion doesn't matter. Big Idea Simplified. Let's break this down like you're 15. If a property costs $200,000, 1.65 Indian rupees crore approximate. 20% down equals $40,000. 33 Indian rupees lakh approximate. Loan equals $160,000. Let's say mortgage equals $1,200 per month. Taxes plus insurance equals $300. Maintenance buffer equals $200. Vacancy buffer equals $150. Total monthly cost equals $1,850. If rent equals $2,300, cash flow equals $450 per month. That's $5,400 per year. Plus loan paydown. Now here's the 2026 reality. Interest rates are higher. Banks are stricter. Jobs are less secure. So you must follow 3 rules. White heavy checkmark. Step 1. Strengthen your financial base. Credit score above 740. 6 months emergency fund. Stable income history. White heavy checkmark. Step 2. Buy below median price. Middle income housing rents fastest. Luxury is risky. Cheap areas bring problem tenants. Stay in the affordable middle. White heavy checkmark. Step 3. Numbers before emotions. If it doesn't cash flow, walk away. There will always be another deal. Psychology section. Why do most people fail at buying rental property? Because of 4 emotions. Fear, what if tenants don't pay? Ego, I want a premium property. Impatience, I want it now. Social pressure, my friend already bought one. Real estate rewards patience, not excitement. Most people lose money because they buy to feel successful, not to build systems. Strong conclusion. Daniel didn't buy in month 1. He waited 7 months. He saw 32 properties. Lost 3 offers. Finally bought one that cash flowed $380 per month. Is that life-changing? Not today. But in 10 years? That one property could become 3. And those 3 could replace his salary. Real wealth is boring. But dependence is expensive. If this made you think differently about income, subscribe to Big Idea Simplified. We don't sell dreams. We simplify money. And I want to ask you something. If your job disappeared tomorrow, how many months could you survive? Comment the number. Let's start building freedom one smart step at a time.